Good morning students. This video we are going to discuss plus 1 chemistry lesson number 1 mole, molar mass and molar volume and gram equivalent mass. First one we see mole, amount of substance are usually expressed in moles. Total number of atom present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is called as a mole. Number of moles of atom is equal to mass by atomic mass. Number of moles of molecule is equal to mass by molecular mass. Next one we see Avogadro number. The total number of entities present in 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. This number is called as a Avogadro number. That means 1 mole equal to 1 Avogadro number. 1 mole equal to 1 Avogadro number equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Next one is a molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of any substance is called as a molar mass. Molar mass is expressed in gram per mole. The volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called as a molar volume. Value of molar volume at 273 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure, molar volume is equal to 22.71 liter. 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, molar volume is equal to 22.4 liter. 298 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure, molar volume is equal to 24.5 liter. Next one is a gram equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass is defined as the mass of an element that combine or displace 1.008 gram hydrogen or 8 gram of oxygen or 35.5 gram of chlorine is called as a gram equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass has no unit but given as a gram equivalent power minus 1. Next one is a acidity. Number of moles of ionizable OH minus ion present in 1 mole of the base is called as a acidity. Number of replaceable hydroxyl ion present in 1 mole of base is called as a acidity. Example, KOH equal to 1, sodium hydroxide NaOH equal to 1 because replaceable hydroxyl ion is equal to 1. The acidity of potassium hydroxide equal to 1. Acidity of sodium hydroxide is equal to 1. Next one is a basicity. Number of moles of ionizable H plus ion present in 1 mole of acid is called as a basicity. That means number of replaceable H plus ion present in 1 mole of acid is called as a basicity. Example, hydrochloric acid. Basicity of hydrochloric acid is equal to 1 because 1 hydrogen is replaceable. Basicity of H2SO4 sulfuric acid is equal to 2 because replaceable hydrogen atom is equal to 2. Next one is a gram equivalent mass of acid. Gram equivalent mass of acid is equal to molar mass of the acid divided by basicity of the acid. Calculate the equivalent mass of H2SO4. Equivalent mass of H2SO4 is equal to molar masses of the H2SO4 and basicity of the H2SO4. Basicity of H2SO4 is equal to 2. Molar mass of the H2SO4 is equal to 98. Basicity of H2SO4 is 2 because number of replaceable hydrogen atom is equal to 2. So basicity of sulfuric acid is equal to 2. So substitute the value. Equivalent mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 divided by 2. So we get equivalent mass of H2SO4 is equal to 49 gram equivalent power minus 1. Next one we see equivalent mass of the base. Equivalent mass of the base is equal to molar masses of the base divided by acidity of the base. Let us consider one example. Equal mass of potassium hydroxide KOH is equal to molar mass of KOH divided by basicity of the OH. Basicity of the potassium hydroxide is equal to 1 because replaceable hydroxyl ion is equal to 1. So substitute the value. Molar masses of KOH is equal to 56. Basicity of the potassium hydroxide equal to 1. So substitute the value. Equal mass of KOH is equal to 56 divided by 1. So we get equal mass of KOH is equal to 56 gram equivalent power minus 1. Next one is a gram equivalent mass of oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Gram equivalent mass of oxidizing agent or agent is equal to molar mass divided by the number of electron involved in the during oxidation or reduction. Oxidation is a removal of electron is called as a oxidation. Addition of electron is called as a reduction. Calculate the equal mass of KMnO4 potassium permanganate. gram equivalent mass of K monopore is equal to 158 divided by 5 because during the oxidation K monopore involved 5 electrons. So gram equivalent mass of K monopore is equal to 31.6 gram equivalent power minus 1. Thank you for watching this video.